everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can find and or edit your KW agent site subdomain. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sign into command, which is agent.kw.com. We'll sign in there with our KW login credentials. And once we are signed in, we are going to navigate to our website's applet. So on the left-hand side at the very bottom, you're going to see this square with what looks like a browser window popping out of it and a house inside of it. So if we click on that, it will navigate over to our website's applet. Now, it is important to note here that if you are on a team, you may need to toggle between accounts. So it is first going to show your personal account, which is now going to show you as a team leader or rainmaker. It'll have your name and then it'll have business afterwards. So you have your own business account here. So that is part of the new changes to KW agent sites and KW agent accounts. But if you are on a team, you can toggle between your team account and your personal account right here up in this section here. Just make sure you have selected the profile that you need to make changes to. And then from there, you can click Manage Settings. And in here, you're going to immediately go into your site settings. So you can go through and fill all of this out. You'll need to make sure it's set up before you go down to your subdomain. But we're going to go down to Team Subdomain down at the very bottom. And then you can either reclaim or update your team subdomain. So just enter the subdomain that you would like here. So we can change this if we need to. We can just go ahead and select. By claiming your team subdomain, your information will be sent over to the new content management system. You'll have the ability to edit the current team agent sites and landing pages still. So we'll go ahead and click Claim Team Subdomain. We'll get a notification that our subdomain is confirmed, and we should be good to go. So we can go back out to our settings, and we can see here, we can click this launch website, and it will launch with the subdomain that we've already created. If you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.